Hi lovelies, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Gode. In today's tutorial, I would like to teach you how to insert Godet. But firstly, you have to get your A-line or straight skirt ready. But this particular skirt, I'm making it for a little child. So let's move into it. Now here is my current fabric for the skirt, and here is my Godets, which is lace fabric. Now this is the folded edge of my skirt, which is front and back, because I folded the two together, both front and back. So I'm measuring nipple to nipple measurement from the center back and center front, plus ½ inch seam allowance right from the waistline down till the bottom of the skirt. So I'll now connect it to make it straight down. So after that, I'm going to cut it out. Cut it on that line straight to the waist. But I'm not going to cut it off on the waist. I'll just leave a little there for me not to make a mistake while sewing it. So I'm separating the two now, both front and back. I have to separate it before inserting my godet. Here is the first one and here is the second one. As you can see, I'm marking on the wrong side of the fabric for me not to make a mistake while sewing. I didn't cut it off on the waist for me not to make a mistake while picking, for me to know the center and the sides. So I'll go ahead and turn it over for you to see how I'm going to insert my godet. Here is the right side of the fabric. So I'm turning it over for you now to see how I'm going to fix it. So I'm inserting 2 pieces of godet to the front, and as well 2 pieces of it to the back. So this is the right side of the lace fabric. I have a video on how to cut it, the godet I'm going to put the link in the box below. The easiest way on how to cut it, I'm going to put the link in the box below. So this is how it's going to be at the end. So I'll now go ahead and pick one of it, place it on the right side of the fabric like this, stitch from the bottom down to this place with ½ inch. I'm dealing with the center piece first. Place it like this, stitch from the bottom to this place with ½ inch. Now I'm done with it. I fix it to the center piece. See how it looks like. I'll now open it up like this. I'll open it up like this and place the side, one of the side piece on it like this. Stitch from the bottom to the waist with ½ inch. I'm going to do the same thing on the second side of it. Open it up like this, place it on it like this. The second side of it, place it on it like this. Stitch with ½ inch from the bottom till the waist of the skirt. Now I'm done with it. Look how neat and beautiful it is. So this is the wrong side of it. This is the right side of it. As you can see, it's very nice and beautiful. So guys, in any way, if you find my tutorial helpful, you can give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to support my channel. If you have any question pertaining to cutting and sewing, you can join me on my Facebook group, Details to Sewing, created by Gode. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Gode. Till I see you in my next video, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed.